up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop, and welcome to issue 45 of Build the Legendary Cyborg RoboCop from our good friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab one, head over to this link here, all the way along there. Pop. Take out a subscription to this beautiful 1/3 scale model of an iconic movie character, folks. You won't be disappointed. So let's have a quick look through the magazine. These come with every issue of the Partwork, folks. Give them a read. Nice to have a read with a cup of coffee so that you can figure out your build sequence. Loads of information in here, folks. It's all about the movie, the history of RoboCop, as it says at the top there. Different scenes, different data files, all of that stuff. And then today, what we're going to be working on, we're going to be working on the pistol, folks. Yes, we're going to be putting all of this together, and this is hidden in his right thigh that we've been building in the last few episodes, folks. I've got mine to the left already open in anticipation of today's scene, folks. So grab your leg assembly that we've been working on, and you'll need that for this. Nice concise instructions. Lay your parts out as per the page there. It will really help you in the build sequence. And you're just literally popping this all together there, folks. It's snapped together, press fit, no screws involved. Nice simple issue, folks. And at the end of it, you'll have a working pistol there with the magazine and that, and then you can clip that in place just inside his leg. So he's got his pistol there. Okay, folks. So that's how it's going to look on your RoboCop by the end of today's issue. You've then got Nightscope KS, which is RoboCops, but not quite as we imagined them. And these are these little sensor things that go around, these little automatons. And yeah, it's really interesting, these little gadgets. Patrolling a Microsoft facility. So yeah, it's quite an interesting little idea. A bit creepy, but the thing that always amazes me is I'm surprised someone just don't pick it up, put it in the back of their pickup and drive off with it. But there you go. This is hydrogen fuel cells, technology creeping in there, folks. Electric buses, hydrogen vehicles, hydrogen buses, revolutions in space with all of the robotics and things that they're putting up on the moon or planning to put on the moon and Mars. So yeah, it's interesting, the future. I'd love to fast forward 100 years just to see where humanity has gone. It would be, be interesting. So that's the magazine. So we'll quickly flip back through it and we'll grab our bits and bobs and we'll put that all on the bench so that we can start building, folks. Right, folks, let's have a looky-loo at what we've got. So we want 45F, which is this one. 45A, which is this one, and we want 45F, which is the trigger mechanism, folks, okay? And they've got a little pin that sits in, okay, which is just there, okay, just like so. So when it's together, the trigger will actually move, okay? So that's what it's telling us, and then we want a 45I, which is the mechanism there, the trigger. The hammer that sits in there. Just rest that back in place like so. There you go. And then you want E, which is the barrel, which then goes in there, and you've got these ridges that sit just in these little recesses like so. So that's what we want there. Okay, just make sure there's no handedness that I have to worry about, which there isn't. And that will sit just like that, folks, okay? Now, I might come back at a later point and detail this a bit more. Get your other half and start lining it up so that when you press this together, it's going to engage all the pegs and pins of everything that we've just put in place. Now, before I fully press it home, I just want to check that they all line up, which they do, okay? You can start working our way round now. Just like so. And as you can see, you get a nice resounding click as it goes into place. And that's your gun. The trigger works, the hammer works, and all of that. Okay, So that's where we are with that section. We then want to start putting the exterior trim panels on. Okay, so we'll grab that side, line it up and put it on the top there, just like so. Okay, it can only go the one way, folks, so in it goes like so, and then you want to come around the other side and do the same on the other side. Okay, I just want to flick that out like so, and then what will happen is you'll press this one into place so that the pins engage. Okay, it'll go in there like so, and then we'll engage all the pegs and press that together just like so. And as you can see, that's already creeping in, but the thing is it moves. It lets it slide back as if it was real. See, that's what you want. Okay, now I'll just rest the hammer back slightly now, so it looks like so. So we can put that to one side and we can just make our little magazine now. So you get both halves of that and press it together like so, and then that will slide up underneath inside like so, just like that. Okay, and that will give you your robo pistol. Okay, nice and simple to do, and then that will be concealed just inside his leg like so. Okay, so it'll come down just like so, and it will sit in there so that when the leg opens you can see the pistol like that sat there. And then if you're posing him in a certain way, you can have this in his hand on display, or you can choose to have it resting like that. I will probably display mine with the leg open so that he's looking ready for business, folks, perhaps with his arm primed to grab the pistol, or I might just have the arm where it's beginning to remove the pistol. So there you go. So that's your little details, folks, that you can have for today. So we'll put that to one side. That's what your pistol's going to look like. So remember, if you'd like to build this along with me, folks, head over to this link here. That will take you to their website. Bink. And take out a subscription to this beautiful 1/3 scale Partwork. You will not be disappointed, folks. Also, if you could help me out by clicking the little festa just there and subscribing to my channel, ring the bell whilst you're there, and you'll be notified of upcoming future content, folks. Big, big, big thank you for coming in and keeping me company. It really is appreciated. But until the next time, I'm going to now go off and play with Robo Leg and Pistol because I just want to. And that will let you enjoy your RoboCop. So until then, bye-bye for now. Stay safe and well.